open CapCut and then select New Project. It will take you to your camera roll where you can start selecting all your videos for your 1 second video. So these are all my October ones. At the bottom, I find ratio and make sure I have the correct dimensions. I always post this on Instagram or Reels, so I select the TikTok options. Just make sure I'm editing it in the correct form. Now we're going to shorten every video to 1 second long because it's our 1 second for every day of October. This can be time consuming, but it's free. So this is why I'm giving you this option to learn how to do it on CapCut. So take each video and shorten it down to 1 second. Okay, I just finished shortening all the videos to 1 second long so you can see how each day I have a video and it's 1 second. You can preview your video by pressing play. This is where you can also add music here in the app, or you can download this and add music in Instagram later. If you don't want the CapCut watermark at the end of your video, just select that black square at the very end and press delete. Okay, hope this helped. I'm excited to see your videos. Make sure to tag me.